Hi guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Thomas. I thought I would make a video today to help simulate the two main types of seismic waves that we learned about, P waves and S waves. Just a little bit of background information about why I'm deciding to simulate it in this way. We learned a little bit today about earthquakes, right? Well, engineers, specifically structural engineers, design buildings, bridges, and other structures so they will be safe even during the extreme forces of earthquakes. To test their designs, engineers develop machines to actually reenact or simulate the ground movement of seismic waves. To do this, engineers design shake tables that are accurately able to reproduce the motions of the earth caused by seismic waves. All of this is done to provide people living in earthquake-prone areas that are likely to have earthquakes, with a stable and survivable human-built environment. Right? We want our buildings to last. We want our buildings to be able to stay in place, even if there's an earthquake. And I've actually been staying at my parents' house for the past couple of days, and I gave them some homework to help me with this simulation. So I got my mom to make this tray of Jello for us. So you can see it's like moving around. It's Jello. So this tray of Jello is going to be our shake table. Okay. And here are two marshmallow towers that you can see. Both of these towers were created by my dad. And he actually made a prediction that this tower, he thinks this smaller tower is going to be stronger and able to withstand both types of seismic waves. And he said he wasn't really sure about this one. Okay? So we'll see what happens. I'm going to be simulating both types of seismic waves. Okay? So let's actually start with this tower. And you can make your prediction in your head of what you think is going to happen. So I'm going to place this tower on my shake table. Move this other one out of the way. And I'm going to start off by moving it to the side. Okay? Remember, we're simulating the two types of seismic waves. Okay? P waves move in one direction. So I'm going to be moving the tray from this side in one direction. I'm just going to be pushing it, and we'll see what happens to the tower. Okay? So this is a P wave. Oh, it's pretty wobbly. It's really wobbly, but it survived to the end. Okay, so that was a P wave. Now, make your prediction in your head. What do you think is going to happen when I simulate an S wave? S waves move from side to side. Okay, so I'm going to move this tray actually from side to side. Okay, so actually let me make sure our tower is better in place. Okay, here is an S wave. Ooh, oh no. Oh, okay, so our tower fell flat in that S wave. Okay, now let's try the same experiment with what my dad predicts is the stronger tower. This is like a little tiny tower. It's actually made of big marshmallows on the bottom as the base and little mini marshmallows on the top. So I'll put it this way, and we're going to start off with P waves first. Remember, P waves always move in one direction. So here's my P waves. Ooh, it's very wobbly, but it's like staying right in place. Wow, okay. And now we're going to start over and do S waves. Okay, so here is my S wave. Wow, it's like barely moving. Remember how the other one was moving so much? Okay, so looks like my dad's prediction was right. Was your prediction right?